Chef Zarqa, how are you?
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam
I'm good,
rahmatullahi wa
thank
barakatuh.
you.
I'm giving you the full version, so no complaints. What are we going to make today?
So today, another sweet thing, because I know you guys love your desserts. Biscoff bites. We need some bread, any sliced bread. Then we have eggs, milk, some fruit, because I'm also healthy. Biscoff bites, so obviously Biscoff. So let's start the recipe. I'm going to take 3 pieces. I'm not going to actually take off the ends because I like the crust.
I was going to say.
But if you don't like the crust, you can do so. So all I'm doing is I've taken the top layer of the slice off, and now I'm spreading generously because I want everyone to be happy eating this dessert. So use as much as you like. There's no measurements in this. So now we've got 3 layers. I'm going to cut this very gently. Okay, I've got a bread knife here. Cut it all the way down. I'm putting the cooker on high. I've got a little bit of oil in there. I'm also going to add butter. You see how easy it is. Even Brother Khalil can attempt to make this at home.
Oh yeah, I've always been able to make complicated things.
Ooh, I thought it's because I've been teaching you.
I can make roast chicken, I can make pasta bake, I can make all sorts of things.
Mashallah, mashallah. We need more brothers in the kitchen, guys.
A lot of brothers actually can't cook, which is a really terrible thing.
Yeah, because it's a life skill. It's not about you being male or female.
No, it's true.
It's a life skill. I just need a little. I have 1 egg. Okay, I'm going to crack that open. And then I'm going to add a little bit of milk into this.
You want me to do the whipping, the beating for you?
Oh, you want to beat? Oh.
I don't mind, you know.
Okay, yes, why not? Also, most importantly, vanilla essence, because, you know, like the eggy smell. Add that as well. And now the hard bit, I'm going to pass it over to Khalil to do the beating.
Thank you.
Okay, let's reduce the heat a little bit here. Now we're going to add butter into the oil. The reason you just don't add just the butter, because it will burn, so you mix it with the oil. And ooh, it's proper hot today. As far as we take control of everything, that's absolutely fine. It will calm down in a bit.
You know, we're saying the brothers should get in the kitchen. We're making a very bad advert for that right now, I think. They're thinking to themselves, nope, nope, nope.
So,
no chance.
If I switch this off,
Spitting at me.
yep, I'm going to dip the bread pieces into this mixture, just like that. Meanwhile, hopefully, that's going to calm down. Okay, make sure you cover all the bits with the egg and milk and vanilla essence mixture.
Are you going to fry it?
And you're going to put that in there. Yeah, because earlier, remember you asked me, is it a hot dessert?
Yes.
Or is it a cold dessert?
Ew.
So it's a hot dessert. You see, it's calmed down now.
You put it on 4 now, so it's over under halfway.
These things happen, guys, in real life. If you're in your kitchen and mishaps happen, never ever panic.
I can't get this thing to work.
You can't get...
No, shall I use a hammer?
Look, you don't need a hammer.
It's not working.
Okay, we say Bismillah.
Bismillah.
And it's come on.
You see, you've got that magic touch.
It's the magic touch, isn't it? So make sure that all the bits are going to get really nicely done. As soon as it changes color, we're going to tip them over to the other side.
This is such an easy meal to make.
This is it.
So easy.
The reason I'm sharing easy recipes, can you see this lovely
nice
golden
brown
glaze?
Yes. Yes.
So say you got cravings and you don't really, I mean, seriously, are you going to order takeaway? Desserts are so expensive.
Yeah,
You're going to order
are.
takeaway, like this will cost you anything up to £10.
For real.
You know. So this is so cheap to make. You will order.
No, well, I'm just talking to the viewers.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, we're having a conversation, isn't it?
This guy, I don't know. As soon as I look down, he's saying something to
I'm
you
just
guys.
talking to everybody. Hi.
I just want all the sides to be done.
And you put it on the side as well.
On
so
the
that
side
the
as
heat
well.
gets in there, so it's crispy all right.
Okay.
In the meantime, Chef Zarqa is working her magic as usual. Smelling quite nice. I must say, looking absolutely excellent
You know
as
what?
usual.
I need kind of spatula to lift these things
Let me grab
straight from the pan onto the plate. So we're just going to be placing them like that. I've already got chopped strawberries. Just cut them in halves. Okay. place them like that. I'm going to place all the bananas on the side. You don't have to have any fruit onto it. So be creative, be however you want to do this, do it. We've got some sugar here.
I was thinking you could put that sweet flour stuff on it as well.
There you
is
go.
This is what I'm thinking of, yes.
And then all you do, you just sprinkle it
Go.
over to your dessert. You could put extra syrup, you could put Biscoff on top like that. This dessert is now ready for you guys at home to devour.
Ooh, look
So
at that.
can you see, it's not difficult at all. Everybody can make it.
In the meantime,